This is a big pile of stuff construction workers pushed down over here, and it's just slipping worse. And that, well, I guess they didn't care because they pushed all this stuff over the hill. But look at this. You think this isn't dangerous? You gotta be kidding me. If you look in my last video, when I reached my arm in there, any of these rocks would have broke my arm if it had hit me. They fell from way high. Look at this. I have to deal with this every day. That's a lot of earth. That falls down and covers you, you're in trouble. Later. All right, I'm back to the dump. Found some pretty good layers, and man, right out of this ash layer back in here, I raked out a whole pocket watch. And it's got both cases on it, and it's got ornateness. Look, it's gold gilt. Anyway, that's kind of cool. I found so many pocket watches up here. If you go back in my dump videos, I'd say this is close to 50 of them. But that's cool. And I got some other bottles. This is an Atlas strong-shouldered Mason. We're gonna take that. It's perfect. But I'll get back on my next find, folks. And there will be some later. It's probably gonna be a good day. Where's it at? I got a marble, I see it. It's a nice one too. Ooh. It's like one of them clear ones with all the wisps. It's not a cat eye. Let me get it cleaned off. Later. Well, it's not a cat eye. It might be some kind of hand dipped one. That's cool. Nice condition. Later. See that horsefly there? Just killed that one, man. They're nailing me. I even got on spray. These things hurt. Well, I had a cave in where I was finding stuff. Them buttons were like right in here. I'm gonna clear this off and go for some more buttons later. All right, I'm just getting out of here. After that cave in, this ground, you can see it's horrible wet. We've been getting rain, and it's dangerous. I had another big rock. It tumbled all the way down and hit in there real hard. And that was the best place to dig, and I'm not even digging that out. These places have been hit. You can see I'm finding crocs and stuff in here. There's several pieces. Here's one with, you can see the cobalt blue on that, but it's just a mess, and it's gonna thunderstorm. I can hear big booms of thunder. But I got a pocket watch and a marble. I haven't been here long, but I'm out of here. Later. Look at this, laying right here, walking out of the dump, and I bet you this is a pet tag. It's copper. All right. If this is a pet tag, this is worth the trip. I'll have to get it cleaned off when I get home. See the hole in it, I'd say that's what it is. All right. All right. All right, well, that makes it kind of worth it. I'll get that cleaned up for a video, and I don't know. There's a big storm coming. Boom, I'm hearing lightning and stuff, but man, I can't even believe that. I walked right over that coming in, and yesterday, over it and back. All right. Well, anyway, later. All right, I got rained out. I was probably in the dump for 55 minutes. It was wet when I got there. A massive cave in, covered where I was digging. I'm filthy. I don't have a shirt on. I look like I'm painted black. It's nasty work. And the only reason why I'm really doing that in these conditions is because of my subscribers. You need something to watch, and you need some variety. And I'm actually starting to make some money now, and you'll see no one work harder than me. Going out and getting to do what you want is pretty much free will. I enjoy doing this stuff. You can see this little thing I found. I got it all cleaned up. It's pretty awesome, man, just for laying out. And you saw in the video, you couldn't even see that it was green. I don't know if this is like it's real heavy. It might be brass, but it feels like bronze or something. I thought it was copper, and I thought, I saw it like that. You can see the green corrosion on it. I thought it was going to be a dog tag, a unique heart-shaped one, but it's this. It says annual engagement, K and P on both sides, and a man and a woman, and I think it says something else down here maybe even. I'll have to, I didn't see that. There's something else down there at the bottom. That might be a date or something. I think it might be in Roman numerals maybe, I don't know. Alright, here's what I think that P&K is, Knights of the Pythias. I'll put what this says here, you can pause it. My dad seems to think that's what it is, and I don't know if it says engagement at the top. It might say annual encampment. And it's got, I'll put up pictures of it at the beginning, you can go back and look at it. But if anybody knows for sure what that is, I thought this was a pet tag, and it's a more unique item. I like looking stuff up like this. It's like the ultimate jigsaw puzzle. It really is, especially with the Indian artifacts. Once you start finding one thing and you get into a place where it's all like that, it's like putting the hardest jigsaw puzzle together you've ever tried. And it takes years sometimes decades. I've found stuff in the late 90s on and then look the site more on video on YouTube, and it's like you just get a eureka moment. You just find something and you realize what it is, and that's the whole goal of this channel. Preserve it. Try to find as much of it, and like something like this is cool to me too. What are the odds of finding that just laying out in the dump, thinking it was a pet tag, and then it's something cool like this you've never found before, never even heard of this place. But you know, my dad's a pretty intelligent guy. He just kind of thought this is what it was, and the K and P, you know, it might just be this. I'd say he's probably right, but if anybody knows for sure, put it up. Could be something else, you know. But anyway, later folks. Alright, here's the pocket watch I found in the dump today. You noticed in the clip it was all crated up, and man, I've only got it half cleaned, and it's definitely gold filled at least. But look at that design on it. I've just got it probably 40% of the way cleaned. I take my time on this kind of stuff. I think the watch is in it. And look at this side. This is missing, but I have one of these and a winder I can put back in it that I found in the dump separately. But this thing has ornateness all on it. And right here is where it opens, but I'm not going to try to... It feels like the whole watch is in there, and it was on a well-drained area. Look at that. How many pocket watches have I found? And this was somebody's timepiece. They carried this right on them for the life of the watch. You know, that's a personal item from at least 100 years ago. Well, anyway, folks, later.